He's the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha. I want to take him seriously. And I want to take his observation seriously to see if things can be done better. But most often I think he shoots from his hip. He doesn't keep good foundational data and then make his observation. I think on the dead economy comment, I'm not referring to anybody else, but being in India, being in the parliament, being the leader of the opposition, hearing all the questions being asked during question hours, replies being given, written, standing up, ministers say, that one comment in his haste, voicing the comment made by somebody else from outside. You are a member of the parliament, you are a leader of the opposition. Are you saying you're living in a dead economy? That itself sort of pulls the carpet from under his feet.